Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some common maintenance for your Roborock. This is the Qrevo Master. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Starting with the top of the vacuum, you shouldn't really have to do anything here. You can occasionally wipe it down. Compressed air will be your best friend for any of the maintenance things that we're going to suggest here. But keep an eye on the bumper. Make sure it's free from any debris or obstructions. Then we have our dustbin right here. Every once in a while, you'll want to replace the filter. So it just pops out like this. And then you grab this little tab, and then you can remove the filter. Compressed air again, just give them a little shakedown will help too. So keep an eye on that for the really fine dirt and dust. Every once in a while, if you want to really deep clean this, you could wash and rinse this out. So that's your dustbin. Inside, you could just wipe that down. You can check this channel right here too to make sure there's no obstructions or hair or anything else that's starting to build up. Similar story around the sides of the vacuum. You can always wipe down the sensors just to make sure they're free of dust and dirt. You can make sure the charging contacts are clean. The sensor on the side, simple and straightforward. And then underneath, everything's replaceable once it starts to wear out, like your side cleaning brush, your two rollers here. You just pop this open, the cover removes, and then you can take each of these out to replace as needed. Maybe you notice some hairs tangling along the sides, things like that. You can just cut those away. And then the mop pads, again, same thing. They're magnetic and removable, and just Velcro that fastens them in place. So you can always throw these mop pads in the wash as well too if you want a deeper clean. You have that option. Then again, once they look really bad, just from like a worn out perspective, they should look pretty clean throughout their whole life. You can just go ahead and grab new ones and easily pop those in place. And then lastly, we got some cliff sensors here. So you can wipe those down if you ever notice any dust or if anything's not working properly. But simple and straightforward to clean and maintain this vacuum.